Hello, placement Bacha. So today we are going to study the symmetric tree, which is the lead code question, and the symmetric tree comes under the easy category, and this is very easy if you understand this question. So what this symmetric tree concept tells the user? So it says that one important thing, this symmetric tree itself can be asked as the mirror tree. So find whether the tree is a mirror of itself. So keep this thing in mind. So it is very useful in case of interviews. So if I use 2 here, and then okay, so 3 is present here and 4 is present here, how are okay, so this is the first part, and suppose let us consider this is the pivot point. So what will be the mirror image of this? So 2 will be present here, so 4 will be present here, and this 3 which was present as the left child is going to become the right child of 2, and then this node is going to get connected. So that means the left subtree is the mirror image of the right subtree, or the right subtree is the mirror image of the left subtree. So this is the concept what we have to learn regarding the mirror image or the symmetric trees. Now let us come to the code section. Okay, so I am going to make another function named so bool solve. So and this bool solve is going to detect whether our tree is a symmetric tree or not, or the mirror tree is not mirror tree or not, and it is going to return us the answer. So first I am going to pass the left subtree of the root here, and again I am going to pass right subtree as the parameter into this solve function. So hence I can just return the answer which is returned by roots left and so roots right. Okay, so here if this left is equivalent to null and right is equivalent to null, in this case I can return true, because any null trace can be a mirror image of itself. So I am going to return true here. So if you have seen the last video, that is the same tree, exactly ditto same thing, the same code is being followed, I am writing the same code which I have written in the previous video, but I am going to do a slight modification in one of the step, and I am going to tell which step is that. So if left is equivalent to null or right is equivalent to null, so what this particular if statement is suggesting? So initially the left is equivalent to null and right is equivalent to null is suggesting us that the root is the only parent node and it doesn't have the child. But in the second situation, what we are doing, we are saying that if left is equivalent to null or right is equivalent to null, in this situation the parent can have a left child or a right child. So this is the concept. In that case it cannot be a mirror, so hence I am going to return false here. And also I am going to compare the left's value and the right value. Suppose if left subtree's value is not equal to right subtree's value, in this situation I must return false, because their value should also be the same, right? And I am going to declare a function, so declare a variable named as L, and it is going to find whether the left subtree, that means the left part of the left subtree. So wait, I will show you in this diagram. So it is going to find whether this part of the left subtree and this part of the right subtree. So that means left's left and okay, so just a second. So in the case of mirror image, it is going to check whether left's left subtree and right's right subtree are exactly the same. Okay, so bool L is equal to, so I am going to call this solve recursively, Okay, and I'm going to check whether left's left subtree is same as right's right subtree. In the same way, bool R is going to calculate whether left's right subtree is same as right's left subtree. Okay, if the so what I am saying, if left's left subtree is same as right's right subtree and left's right subtree is same as right's left subtree, then this tree can be considered as the symmetric tree. If both this left's L and R holds as true, in that situation we can say that this tree what we have is a symmetric tree. And now I'll run the code. So it's showing true and we have successfully returned the code of symmetric tree. And the solution has been accepted. So, and this is all about the solution. Okay, so you can write it in the iterative manner also. If you want the iterative solution, then please comment in the comment section. I am going to explain it in a detailed manner. Thanks a lot.